So you think you're a good driver? Maybe you've been on the road for years, dodging potholes and parking like a pro. But there's a whole world of driving secrets that even seasoned drivers don't know. And some of them could save you thousands of dollars or even your life. In this video, I'm revealing 17 hidden driving secrets that separate real drivers from the amateurs. If you don't know these, you're not as smart behind the wheel as you think. Trust me, secret number 17 alone is something even pros overlook, and it could make your engine last twice as long. Ready to level up your driving game? Let's dive in. Secret number 1, your owner's manual is a goldmine. Most drivers toss the manual into the glove box and never open it again, but that's a huge mistake. That little book is more than just fine print and boring specs. It tells you everything from the correct tire pressure to the exact oil your engine needs, and even when to schedule specific maintenance. Using the wrong fluid or skipping services that are unique to your car model can cost you dearly. Want to know the ideal interval for transmission flushes or the right way to reset your tire pressure system? It's in there. Ignoring it is like baking a cake without a recipe. Something's going to go wrong. And if you think the manual was eye-opening, wait till you see what you're doing wrong every morning before even leaving your driveway. Secret number 2. Warming up your car can be hurting. You've probably heard that you need to warm up your engine by idling for a few minutes, especially in cold weather. But here's the truth. Modern engines are designed to warm up while driving. Extended idling can actually harm your engine by causing incomplete combustion and carbon buildup. Plus, you're wasting fuel and money. The best practice? Start the car, wait 30 seconds, and drive gently until it reaches operating temperature. You're not just saving gas, you're extending engine life. Now that your car's warmed up properly, let's talk about what you're doing on the road that's silently killing your transmission. Secret number 3, you're probably braking all wrong. Believe it or not, most people abuse their brakes without realizing it. Riding the brakes downhill or in stop-and-go traffic creates unnecessary heat, wearing out pads and rotors faster. A better approach? Brake early and gradually. Use engine braking when going downhill. Just shift to a lower gear instead of holding the brakes. This technique improves your car's lifespan and keeps you safer on the road. Speaking of safety, the next secret could literally save your life during a tire blowout. Secret number 4, you've been reacting wrong to tire blowouts. When a tire suddenly bursts, the natural instinct is to slam the brakes, but doing so can cause you to lose control, especially at high speeds. Instead, grip the wheel firmly, ease off the gas, and let the car slow down gradually. Once you're under control, steer to safety. Practice this in your mind often so your instincts don't betray you in real life. All right, now that you've handled tire emergencies like a pro, let's make sure your tires aren't costing you extra fuel every single day. Secret number 5, incorrect tire pressure is draining your wallet. Tires that are underinflated by just 5 psi can reduce fuel economy by up to 10%. Worse, they wear out faster and compromise your car's handling. Overinflated tires can make your ride harsh and increase blowout risk. Check your tire pressure monthly, and always when tires are cold. Don't guess. Use a digital gauge and match the PSI listed on your door jam sticker, not the max PSI on the tire itself. Think you've got the basics of tire care down? Think again. Your alignment might be silently sabotaging everything. Secret number 6, misalignment can destroy your suspension. If your car pulls to one side, your steering wheel vibrates, or you notice uneven tire wear, your wheels are likely out of alignment. Poor alignment doesn't just eat your tires, it damages suspension parts and reduces fuel economy. A quick alignment check once or twice a year can save hundreds of dollars in long-term damage. And while you're thinking about long-term savings, wait till you hear about the one simple habit that could double your battery life. Secret number 7, turning off accessories before shutting down. Saves your battery. When you leave your lights, AC, or radio on before switching off your car, your battery gets an unnecessary hit the next time you start it. Over time, that strain adds up, especially in older batteries. Develop the habit of turning off all accessories before you turn the key or press the button to shut off your car. Your battery will thank you. Now let's head under the hood, because your oil change habits might be all wrong. Secret number 8, 3,000-mile oil changes are outdated. The every 3,000 miles oil change myth comes from the 90s. Most modern engines and synthetic oils can go 5,000, 7,000, 500, or even 10,000 miles between changes, depending on the make and model. Follow your manual, not old advice. Overchanging wastes money and isn't environmentally friendly. Underchanging, that'll cost you an engine, Speaking of waste, you might be filling your tank with the wrong kind of fuel entirely. Secret number 9, premium fuel isn't always better. Premium fuel won't clean your engine or boost performance unless your car specifically requires it. If your car is designed for regular, using premium is just burning cash. Always check the fuel requirement in your owner's manual, not on social media or gas pump ads. Saving money on gas is great, but let's talk about something even more important: your engine's cooling system. Secret number 10, neglecting coolant maintenance is a silent killer. Coolant doesn't just prevent your engine from overheating, it also protects against corrosion. Over time, old coolant becomes acidic and eats away at gaskets, hoses, and even your radiator. Flushing and replacing it at regular intervals, every 30,000 to 50,000 miles depending on the car, is essential for engine health. Want your car to drive like new? Then listen up, because your driving style might be holding it back. Secret number 11, jackrabbit starts. Kill your car slamming the accelerator from a stop wears out your transmission, burns extra fuel, and shocks your engine. Smooth acceleration helps all the moving parts last longer and keeps your passengers comfortable. And no, you won't reach your destination any faster with that Need for Speed launch at every green light. Let's shift from your foot to your hand, because the next one involves your gear lever. Secret number 12, resting your hand on the gear shifter is bad, seems innocent, right? But resting your hand on the gear lever can apply slight pressure to the internal shift forks, especially in manual cars. Over time, it causes unnecessary wear. Always keep both hands on the wheel unless you're actively shifting. And while we're in the cabin, let's address something that could be costing you air quality and engine power. Secret number 13, ignoring your cabin air filter can harm your engine. It's not just about fresh air inside the car. A clogged cabin air filter forces your HVAC system to work harder, reducing efficiency. Worse, on some vehicles, it can impact overall airflow to the engine, affecting performance. Replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or sooner if you live in a dusty area. Now let's open your trunk, because the next secret is weighing you down. Literally. Secret number 14, carrying too much weight wastes. Gas, every 100 pounds in your trunk reduces fuel economy by about 1%. That might not seem like much, but if you're hauling junk, tools, sports gear, forgotten water bottles, it adds up. Lighten the load and only carry what you need. All right, we've saved the best for last. This final secret is something even many mechanics overlook. Secret number 15, brake fluid absorbs moisture. Over time, brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air. Over time, this lowers its boiling point and reduces braking performance, especially in emergencies. Most drivers never change it, but manufacturers recommend replacing it every 2 to 3 years. Ignore it, and you're putting your brakes and safety at risk. So we're at the end, but we're not done yet. The last 2 secrets are what truly separate pros from the rest. Secret number 16, don't trust the check engine light blindly. That light could mean anything from a loose gas cap to a failing catalytic converter. The mistake most drivers make? Ignoring it or panicking without scanning it. Get a cheap OBD2 scanner or have a mechanic read the code. Knowing the exact issue gives you control, not confusion. And now, the final, most overlooked driver secret that can extend your engine's life more than anything else. Secret number 17, regular short trips can kill your engine. Slowly, engines thrive when they reach operating temperature. Short trips, especially under 10 minutes, don't allow oil to fully circulate or moisture to evaporate. Over time, that creates sludge buildup and reduces engine efficiency. If possible, combine errands into longer drives and let your engine breathe. It'll reward you with a much longer lifespan. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of drivers out there. But knowledge is only power when you use it. Apply these 17 secrets and your car will run smoother, last longer, and cost you way less in repairs. Which secret surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't keep these gems to yourself. Share this video with your fellow drivers. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss more insider car care tips. Stay safe, stay smart, and drive like a pro.